Hey there, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're diving into the top 3 best espresso coffee machine that bring cafe quality brewing right to your home. From rich crema to perfect milk froth, these machines redefine your coffee experience. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the Acekool Espresso Coffee Machine. The Acekool Espresso Coffee Machine brings professional coffee making into the comfort of your home with precision and efficiency. At the heart of this machine is a stainless steel conical burr grinder with 30 adjustable settings, allowing coffee enthusiasts to tailor the grind size to their beans and desired flavor profile. Whether you prefer a fine grind for a strong, intense espresso or a coarser setting for a milder brew, this machine adapts seamlessly to your needs. Equipped with a robust 20-bar high-pressure pump and a 1500-watt motor, the Acekool Espresso Coffee Machine ensures professional quality extraction. Every shot delivers a smooth, aromatic coffee, capturing the full richness of the crema. The extraction process is stable and consistent, bringing out the depth of flavor in each coffee bean for a cafe-style experience at home. For milk-based beverages, the machine features an efficient steam wand that rapidly injects high-pressure steam into cold milk, producing velvety microfoam with a glossy, silky texture. This makes crafting lattes, cappuccinos, and other specialty drinks simple and satisfying, transforming your kitchen into a mini coffee bar. Thanks to rapid heating technology, water reaches the ideal brewing temperature in just 30 seconds, eliminating long wait times and letting you enjoy your coffee almost instantly. Double PID temperature control maintains a steady 201.2 degrees F during both extraction and milk frothing, ensuring each cup has consistent quality and flavor. The Acekool Espresso Coffee Machine combines advanced technology with intuitive control, offering a seamless brewing experience. From grind customization and professional extraction to quick heating and precise temperature management, it allows coffee lovers to create barista-level beverages effortlessly, turning every cup into a moment of indulgence. Next up, at number 2, comes the Cafelffe CM1695 Espresso Coffee Machine. The Cafelffe CM1695 Espresso Coffee Machine brings professional quality coffee into the comfort of your home. Equipped with a 20-bar high-pressure pump and a 950-watt heating system, it ensures that every shot of espresso extracts the full aroma and natural crema from the coffee beans, resulting in a rich and flavorful experience. Navigating the machine is simple thanks to its intuitive touch control panel and digital display, which provide easy access to brewing functions. The built-in milk frother delivers powerful steam for creating creamy microfoam, allowing you to craft elegant milk foam art while enhancing the flavor and texture of your beverages. To cater to individual tastes, the CM1695 offers 3 temperature settings, ensuring each cup is brewed exactly how you like it. Its compact design allows it to fit seamlessly into any kitchen space, while the detachable water tank and drip tray make cleaning effortless. Whether you're an espresso enthusiast or someone who enjoys specialty coffee drinks at home, the Cafelffe CM1695 combines high performance, convenience, and versatility, making every coffee moment satisfying and enjoyable. And finally, taking the number 1 position, it's the Hibrew H10B Espresso Coffee Machine. The Hibrew H10B Espresso Coffee Machine is designed to deliver a professional coffee experience in the comfort of your home. Equipped with a powerful 20-bar high-pressure pump, it ensures optimal extraction, allowing the full aroma and flavor of coffee beans to be released. Every cup is crafted to achieve a rich and balanced taste, highlighting the natural crema that makes espresso truly distinctive. One of the standout features of the H10B is its adjustable temperature control, offering a range from 90 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius, with an additional 25 degrees option for cold extraction. This flexibility allows users to tailor the brewing process to suit different coffee styles, from classic hot espresso to cold brewed variations. A visual pressure gauge provides instant feedback on extraction pressure, making it easy to monitor and perfect every shot. The machine also includes a programmable pre-brew function designed for professional-level extraction. By controlling the pressure during the initial stage of brewing, it ensures steam penetrates coffee grounds evenly, creating a smooth and velvety crema. Milk-based drinks are elevated with the H10B strong steam foaming system. The adjustable steam knob allows precise control over milk frothing, producing thick, creamy foam suitable for cappuccinos, lattes, and other specialty drinks. The portafilter-friendly design further enhances usability, making it easier to achieve cafe-quality beverages at home. Overall, the Hibrew H10B Espresso Coffee Machine combines precise temperature control, powerful pressure extraction, and advanced frothing capabilities to create a versatile and professional brewing experience, allowing coffee enthusiasts to enjoy expertly crafted espresso and milk-based drinks with ease. And that wraps up our list of the best espresso coffee machines. Each one delivers power, precision, and pure coffee bliss. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more amazing reviews and updates.